For those wondering, this is the size of the Walmart, as you can probably see. It's a pretty big size here in Patterson. This is the toy section. And as you could see, it's got a lot in here. Got plenty of turtles if you're a turtle fan. It's got Angry Birds, believe it or not, in Star Wars form. Transformers, of course, as you can see. And of course, getting ready for Superman. Man of Steel, I should say. They're getting ready for it. And of course, you got G.I. Joe over here. And Avengers, Iron Man 3. Nothing there. And then over here you have Legos. Pretty interesting stuff. And then on the other side, of course, you have, I think, girl stuff as well. Let me tuck this on in here. So nobody gets suspicious. Little section here. Trying to show you best I can. But basically this is the entire Walmart store. From over there